Welcome guys to another Get Real session of your mathematics, and we're still on functions and we're working on hyperbolic graphs. So guys, this is the scenario. The missile is fired 3 seconds after the order is given to fire. The order is given at t is equal to 0. The missile is fired at a displacement of 5 kilometers above the surface of the sea. So guys, this is the diagram. You see the asymptotes, and these asymptotes can never ever be crossed. So the first question is, we have to determine the equation of the missile's movement. So guys, this is a hyperbolic graph, and then its equation is given as d is equal to a all over t plus p plus q. Then the vertical asymptote is t is equal to 2. Therefore, t is minus 2 is equal to 0. And therefore, d is equal to a all over t minus 2 plus q. The horizontal asymptote is d is equal to negative 1. Therefore, d is equal to a all over t minus 2 minus 1. Then we have to substitute 3, 5 to get the value of a. Because 3, 5 is your values for your y's and your x's, you substitute for your values of y and x's. Therefore, you're going to get 5 is equal to a all over 3 minus 2 minus 1. And your answer for a, you will get it to be 6. Therefore, the whole equation now it's going to be d is equal to 6 all over t minus 2 minus 1. Where t is greater than or equals to 3. Okay, the second question guys is, how long will it take for the missile to be 1 kilometers above the surface of the sea? So guys, the equation is d is equal to 6 all over t minus 2 minus 1. And we're told that d is 1 kilometers and we're looking for t. So guys, as you see, we're going to bring the negative 1 across to the 1, which you're going to get 2 is equal to 6 all over t minus 2. Then we're going to multiply t minus 2 with the 2, which is going to be 2t minus 4 is equal to 6. Bring the 4 to the other side, grouping like terms together, which is going to be 2t is equal to 10. Therefore, we're going to divide both sides by 2, which t is going to be equal to 5. It will take 5 seconds for the missile to be 1 kilometers above the surface of the sea. The third question is, how many seconds will the missile hit the surface of the sea? The displacement of the missile when it hits the surface of the sea is d is equal to 0. Therefore, we have to substitute to the equation and d will be 0. Therefore, you get t will be equal to 8. It will take 8 seconds for the missile to hit the surface of the sea. And then explain why the missile will never be displaced more than 1 kilometers below the surface of the sea. The graph of the missile's movement has an asymptote at d is equal to negative 1. This means that the missile can never be displaced 1 kilometer or more below the surface area. Guys, talking about asymptotes. And that was it. Beautiful lesson. I hope you enjoyed. I love functions. I'm so in love with functions. And over grand, over sharp, keep practicing mathematics and uzoba pashash.